On the seabed off the coast of Japan lies a particularly funky artwork. So intricate, I'd forgive you for thinking it's a man-made design. This mesmerizing geometric motif is not from a human mind, but rather a genius creator of the ocean. The white-spotted pufferfish. This maestro of the deep creates something remarkable in the pursuit of love. For 9 relentless days, he laboriously crafts a dazzling mathematical pattern. Using his fins, he meticulously shapes the sand into undulating ridges to make a flawless radial circle 6.5 feet in diameter. It's one of the most perfectly composed masterpieces in the natural world. With a final stroke of his fin-shaped brush, he adds the finishing flourish, just in time to catch the eye of a passing ladyfish. Like any art critic, impressing her isn't easy. But fortunately for this marine Monet, she gives his creation the thumbs up.